You might have heard about okra before, that sticky green vegetable we often use in curries or stews. But have you ever heard of okra water? It may sound strange, but this simple drink can do some seriously amazing things for your health. So, let's talk about how drinking okra water can help with weight loss, blood sugar control, and gut health, naturally and effectively. Number 1. Let's start with weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight but still struggle with cravings or hunger, this might just surprise you. Okra is packed with soluble fiber, the kind that keeps you full for longer and helps reduce those midday snack attacks. When you drink okra water in the morning, it gently boosts your metabolism and improves digestion. That means your body processes food better, burns fat more efficiently, and you feel light and active throughout the day. And here's the best part, it's completely natural, no fancy supplements or pills needed. Just water and okra. Simple, right? Number 2. Now, let's talk about blood sugar. This is where okra water really shines. Inside okra, there's this gel-like substance, that slimy texture you notice when cutting it. That's soluble fiber, and it plays a powerful role in slowing down how your body absorbs sugar. So, instead of sudden sugar spikes after meals, your blood sugar levels stay stable. You get more consistent energy, fewer sugar cravings, and a better mood throughout the day. In fact, many studies show that okra can be really helpful for people with type 2 diabetes, but even if you don't have diabetes, balancing blood sugar means better energy, focus, and long-term health. Number 3. And finally, gut health, something we all need to pay attention to. Our gut controls everything, from how we digest food, to how strong our immunity is, even how happy we feel. And guess what? Okra is a natural prebiotic, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. It helps soothe the digestive system, prevents constipation, and reduces bloating or acidity. If you often feel heavy or tired after meals, okra water might make a big difference. A healthy gut equals a healthier body, and when your digestion improves, everything else follows. How to make it? It's super easy. Just take 3 to 4 pieces of fresh okra, wash them properly, cut off the ends, and slice them in half. Now place them in a glass of water and let it soak overnight. In the morning, remove the pods and drink that water on an empty stomach. You can have it 3 to 4 times a week, and within a few weeks, you might notice better digestion, more energy, and a lighter, more balanced feeling overall. So, if you're someone who wants to manage weight, balance blood sugar, or simply feel healthier, give okra water a try. It's one of nature's simplest, most underrated health hacks. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and follow for more simple health tips that actually work. Because sometimes, the smallest habits create the biggest changes.